I wasn't watching the time. So 6 goes into 45 7 times. That's 42. Subtract, I end up with 3 left over. Put my decimal, add a 0. 6 goes into 35 times. Finish out my problem. So here my unit price is $7.50 per book. So they cost the same. So they have the same unit price, so neither one is the better buy. Okay. All right, so if we are looking at your problems, you are going to do all of 6 through 11. Okay, so you're going to find each unit price in 6 through 9 and then find which is the better buy. And then your math practices and problem solving, you're going to do problem 12. You're going to do 15, 17, and 18. So that's your independent practice for today.